Hi homie, welcome back to my channel. I recommend and myself Abhita Catherine. So in this video, I'm going to review one of my favorite K-drama, which makes me so excited to review about it. So without any delay, let's go for this video. So in this video, I'm going to review my favorite K-drama, Ocho Da Palgona Haru, aka Extraordinary You. This drama is led by three main characters: Kim So-hoon, also known as Rook-hoon, who is portrayed as Haru, Yaar. And the second character is Kim A-yu, who is portrayed as Intano. The third main lead is Lee Jae-woon, who is portrayed as Baekhyun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to discuss the outline of this drama with you guys. So basically, the outline of this drama is Entanu, a girl who's doing her high school studies from rich family and born with some cardiac disease. When she finds that she was in the world of comic book, it's insane, right? She's so excited and she thought that she will be the lead in this comic book, but unfortunately, she's not the lead. She's only a mere extra in the comic book. So she was so bad and feeling bad for herself. So how she's trying herself and taking some extra measures to become a lead role in this in that comic book. In between the consequences and struggling to become a lead, how she find her true love with her. So that's how the story goes. How she became from a mere extra to a leading role. That's the outline of the drama. Haru, who is a mere extra in the comic book world. Initially, he has no name. Then he was assigned a name like number 13. Then something happened and he got his name Aru. So if I reveal that how he was get that name, then it will be a spoiler. So I don't want to give you guys a spoiler. So go and watch it. The lovely, charming, innocent face of Haruya will definitely steal your heart. I'm 200% sure of it. And one is Entano, a girl with some cardiac problem, and also the fiance of Baekhyun. She's so cute. Her acting is so cute, and she's expressing her feeling. How she's expressing her feeling to Haru is cute. Everything she does is cute in this drama, and I also like the cute things like Haruya and also Aracho. These things are cutest things. If you watch this drama, I'm sure you will also fall in love with this character. Baekhyun is one of the members in the A3 group, which is the most popular group in the comic book. I also like this character, Dry Squid Fairy. Oh, he's so cute. He's so handsome. Haru and Squid Fairy are freaking handsome in this drama. Oh, I love these characters a lot. I fell in love with these two characters basically. Personally, I like this drama a lot because of the storyline, like comic book world, characters, mere extras, etc. Because I usually used to think like this, like comic book world, not exactly the comic book world, like a world with some extra character. We are the mere extras, and the popular ones are the lead roles, like BTS are the lead roles, and I'm the mere extra. I used to think like that for just for fun. But after seeing this drama, I realized that how come they thought like that. I was so happy that I could connect more with the storyline because of the things which I used to think. First of all, I was so happy with the storyline. Then second thing is screenplay. You can see the exact portrayal of what the writer is having and what the outcome is. You can also easily distinguish the part which is happening on stage and off stage. So that was so amazing. That small hint like flowers, car and black hole, etc. So these are very small things, but these things are changes the whole story. I'm very sad about this drama is the one thing that it only has 32 episodes. The thing which makes me so sad. This drama has different genre than compared to other K-dramas, so I definitely recommend you guys to watch this drama. If you guys already watched it, mention it in the comment section. If you guys willing to watch this drama after watching this video, mention it in the comment section below. This drama has 32 episodes, and this drama streamed on October 2019, ended on November 2019. You can also watch this drama on Netflix, VTV, in YouTube. When it comes to others rating, the IMDb rating is 7.9 out of 10, and 98% of the Google users are like this drama. When it comes to my rating, I'll give 10 out of 10 to this drama because I like this drama a lot. This is the very first drama I'm giving 10 out of 10 rating. Wow. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If it is yes, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button down there to get my notifications. And if you want more video like this, please mention it in the comment section below down there. So see you guys in the next video. So until then, bye homies.